lean vegetarian, I'm sorry, Plexus Lean Vegan natural vanilla flavor. With 20 grams of non-GMO plant protein, 23 highly bioavailable vitamins and minerals, 5 grams of dietary fiber, and digestive enzymes, Lean Vegan is the wholesome nutrition you've been looking for. Lean Vegan is the perfect companion for a busy life because it offers on-the-go nutrition while helping you cut calories and lose weight. Avoid temptation and curb craving by enjoying Lean Vegan with its smooth, slightly sweet natural vanilla flavor without all the guilt. It will leave you feeling satisfied and energized with protein and fiber so you can tackle your day and achieve your weight loss goals. It delivers a complete nutritious meal in the form of a delicious shake, promotes weight loss while providing healthy nutrition, satisfies and helps control hunger with protein and fiber, supports gut and digestive health with prebiotic fiber and digestive enzymes, helps support and maintain lean muscle. Use it twice a day for weight loss or once a day for weight management. There are 14 meals or 28 on-the-go snacks, 20 grams of vegan protein from pea, rice, and ancient grains. It contains all 9 essential amino acids plus digestive enzymes. Contains 5 grams of dietary fiber, including prebiotic fiber to support digestion and gut health. Powered with highly bioavailable forms of 23 vitamins and minerals, including 5-MTHF methylated folate, calcium, zinc, vitamins A, C, and E, and more. It's a healthy source of plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, 100% vegan, and it's free from artificial flavors, colors, sweeteners, and preservatives. It's also free from soy, gluten, and dairy. It's high in protein and a good source of fiber. Delicious natural vanilla flavor.